Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So I have some new information about a big problem that Honda's been going through. If you guys have been experiencing a sticking steering wheel, so a steering wheel that doesn't go back to center when you turn, or it's really hard to turn, it feels like something's grabbing. So there's finally a fix for that. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just came out. So Honda on July 25th finally came out with a service bulletin for that issue. I know a lot of people with the new CRV have been saying that the steering is really hard to steer, or after you make a corner, if you let go of the steering wheel, it'll stay in that turn position. So it makes it almost like it doesn't have any power steering at all. So they're finally fixing that, and it covers a wide range, because here I'll show you the service bulletin so you can be aware of. But it shows that it affects the 2023 to 2024 CRV, and then they have an additional line for the 2023 to 2024 CRV hybrid. So essentially all models are going to be covered under this. And the symptom is, of course, it says customers who find that the steering wheel does not automatically return to center. Some people have been finding that when you turn it takes a lot of effort to turn it. Like I said, like there's no power steering. And then it lists all the parts that they're going to replace. And the biggest one, of course, is a gearbox assembly. They're going to put a brand new one in, and all the other things that go along with that. Like I said, it just came out. You want to take note of the service bulletin number. It's 24-052. Just in case a dealer is not aware, or somebody, maybe it's a new employee, doesn't really know, you can refer to that service bulletin number, and then they can pull it up in their system and get that taken care of. We haven't had it with this, so I'm hoping it doesn't affect it, but at least if we start seeing that issue, they'll get it taken care of right away. And they're saying that they should send letters out starting in August. So today they should start sending letters out. But what I always advise is go ahead and give your dealer a call, get your car checked out, and if it's experiencing these issues, get it taken care of. Because what we've come to realize is the longer you wait, then you'll have to deal with the parts not being available. And then I've actually been dealing with that on my own TLX for the sensor in the seat. My app shows me it's been on there for probably a good 6 months, and they're saying maybe this fall they'll have enough parts. So it's just one of those things that you always have to worry, you have an open recall to get that taken care of. So I always say the sooner the better. So again, I just want to bring that to your attention, since there's a lot of CRVs out there, the new CRVs. So if you're experiencing that issue, just give your dealer a call, get your car taken in and get it repaired. So it drives like it should. Okay, so again, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are experiencing that issue too. I'd like to know. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.